to market your indie game on a $0 budget. Hey da, game devs. Got an amazing indie game, but no budget to market it? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we are talking about how to market your indie game for free. Yes, $0. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. Social media. You might not have money, but you got stories to tell. And social media thrives on stories. First, we got YouTube or any platform that can perform on longer form videos, like 6, 8, 10 minutes like this one. There you should make videos about your game. What type? Updates, secrets, about mechanics, how did you make it, devlogs, teasers, cut it streamers videos, but we'll talk about that later. Short form content is thrilling. The easiest way is to cut out things from the previous YouTube videos or record a 10, 60-second clip showing gameplay highlights, character designs, or just being excited about your game. Show your face, it builds trust. And don't forget the viral trends. Remember, fun sells. Instagram is a place where you share images, but you already knew that. As you make shorts, you can just cut out places from TikTok or original video, then post these images. Remember, add some value, like text, update, or something to that. Twitter or X is where gamers, devs, and publishers hang out. Use hashtags like IndieGame, IndieDev, and GameDev to get discovered. Share progress, updates, quirky dev stories, or even bugs that made you laugh. X loves behind the scene content. Use free video editors like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve to spice up your videos with captions and effects. If you wanna know more about that, give a feedback or watch a tutorial video how to do so. Leverage community platforms. Next, let's talk about community platforms. These places are pure gold for indie game devs. Find niche subreddits like indie dev, indie gaming, or even genre-specific ones like roguelikes or horror gaming. Share updates or devlogs, but here's the catch. Don't just spam your links. Interact with the community. Answer questions, give feedback, and then talk about your game. Indie dev Discord servers like indie game developers, or create your own server for fans. Share sneak peeks, host live Q&A sessions, or just chat with your potential audience. Discord is a perfect way to build a loyal fanbase. Press and influencers. Who said you need cash to get attention from the press or influencers? Create a free press kit using tools like Canva. Include your game's trailer, key features, and some killer screenshots. Make it easy for journalists and bloggers to talk about your game. So basically, make a design type, and share it. Make your game recognizable by that type of design. Colors, images, logos, shapes. Reach out to micro-influencers and small streamers who love your game's genre. Offer them a free demo, even a Steam key. They are more likely to help out if your game resonates with them. Participating in game jams is another underrated marketing hack. These events are filled with like-minded devs and potential collaborators. Plus, showcasing your game during jams or contests often brings organic attention. Check out platforms like itch.io for upcoming events. A website gives your game a home. You can use free tools like Card or WordPress to create landing page for your game. Add the newsletter sign to keep fans updated. Use MailChimp's free plan to send out updates, sneak peeks, and even beta invites. Harness the power of community building. Live stream your game dev journey. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube Live, or even Instagram Live let you connect with your audience in real time. It's not just marketing, it's community building. Bonus tip, collaborate. Partner with other indie game devs to cross-promote. Share each other's games with your audiences. It's a win-win situation. Besides, make a good content, but be sure that the other part has agreed with getting posted. And that's it. Marketing your indie game on a $0 budget isn't just possible, it's fun. Now get out there and get your game noticed. If this video helped, you know what to do. Oh, and if you want to see more or less of something, feel free to share that with me in the comment section or private. See you next time. Bye bye.